Hi, my name is Mochamad James. I'm Executive Director of Indonesian Blockchain Society. It is very honored to be invited to in discussion in this manufacturing summit from 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐨𝐧. I think it's interesting because manufacturing is a big thing. Our lives is rely on from factories, manufacturing. So I think things what we've discussed about cybersecurity is very interesting, and I think we need to elaborate more on that topics. Manufacturing, since like the previous presenter, manufacturing already embraced the digitalization, especially the automation. Yeah. Now, maybe if you talk about transformation, I think it's about how to embrace the new technology, and it's a very important thing. From the takeaways, I think, especially from my session, it's I think, we need to be more careful on what we are trying to take for the technology to implement in manufacturing sector, and we need the government on to help us on this cybersecurity matter. If it's 1 to 5, I can give you a 4.5. It's okay. Yes. Thank you.